Previously on Penny Power.
If you want to grow your money, you need to think like an entrepreneur.
Jules promised to teach me all about being
An entrepreneur is someone who starts a business to make money. Like my sneaker business. I buy the shoes, they sell them for more than I paid. Whatever's left over is called the profit. You could put the profit back in the business and buy more shoes, or you could deposit the profit into a savings account to create interest.
But I am interested.
Interest is the extra money that's created by keeping your savings in the bank. It's like baking cupcakes in an oven. They grow over time on their own, like magic.
Or maybe like I'm a guinia.
Fat cakes? Yes!
Penny Power, brought to you by Nedbank4Me. You can ask your parents to open your Nedbank4Me account.